Hallo, es ist wieder Pouring-Zeit. Wir machen heute wieder etwas Schönes im Pouring-Style. Kommt einfach mit. Hallo, herzlich willkommen bei Verkunstet. Wir machen heute Pouring mit 2 Bechern. Und ja, ich habe schon die Farben hier aufgebaut. Legen wir direkt los.
Time served in the war. It used to pick up radio waves that he said were from the future. As little children we would gather round. To us he was a giant. But when it came to taking medicine, the man was non-compliant. He'd tell me, wait, what would you say if I could build a little vessel that could take us to another time and place? What would you say if the burning of the engines could be powered by the smile on your face? What will you say? Will you follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me round the way? He'd laugh and say, but I'm too tired for that one today. He'd take us fishing at the local dam. We would bike down from his house, telling stories of a captain he knew from his travels to the past. The cannonballs and muskets and the weapons they used were anything but modern. So Grandpa brought grenades and proximity mines. Together they ran the ocean. He'd tell us, wait, what would you say if I could build a little vessel that could take us to another time and place? What would you say if the burning of the engines could be powered by the smile on your face? What will you say? Will you follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me round the way? He'd laugh and say, but I'm too tired for that one today. One day we went to visit, and Grandpa wasn't there. But I knew he kept the plans for the rocket ship underneath his lucky chair. Gonna spend every day and night and making my life's work, to build it out to the letter and flying back to Earth. I tell him, wait, what would you say if I could build a little vessel that could take us to another time and place? What would you say? If the burning of the engines could be powered by the smile on your face? What will you say? Will you follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me round the way? He went to say, there's a different ship I gotta take.
Das Bild ist trocken und wir schauen uns das Ergebnis gemeinsam an. Sieht das nicht super aus mit diesen weichen Verläufen, die wir hier überall haben, mit diesem Bronzeton, der hier durchgeht? Ich sehe hier die ganze Zeit immer so eine Echse, die hier so nach oben wandert. Ja, also total genial geworden, finde ich, mit den Farben. Natürlich kann man auch andere Farben benutzen, das, was halt euch so gefällt. Ja, und ich würde sagen, schaut hier in das Video mal rein. Da zeige ich euch noch weitere coole Techniken zum Thema Pouring.